Okay, we got the parts, the PVC connectors. We already installed one more T on top of the 2T underneath. So we're going to use this T. As you can see, the feeding pipe, flexible feeding pipe, is going through there. And then going down, we already buried it. It's this is only slightly left over, and then that going to here, so underneath here, and then we need to do one more. So we're going to use the lower one for air vent. So yeah, we need to drill a hole into the gutter, and then we simply make air connection to the cavity. So if there's any pressure build up here, we're going to seal the top. If any pressure build up here, then that pipe automatically release that pressure into the cavity, which is more open, right? And then we end up having the bubbles in the cavity. They will also install inside indoor camera. Well, I mean for indoor use, can be outside. It comes with a solar panel. It's operating now, and you can see the picture here. And then the other side will do the same as we did here. Simply add one more T on top of the existing 2T, and then we'll just do it exactly the same. Just the only difference that side is the feeding soap liquid for the liquid cooling on the top, but this side, basically provide soap liquid for the bubble generator. For the bubble generator. Anyway, this is the difference. This way we have literally two pressure release channel, one for that side, one for this side. So it's convenient. Finish the feeding pipe for this side, adding one more T, and then just allow the line go across over to the area underneath the gutter. This is it. And Xiaofeng is doing the air vent for the other side, while I just finished this one. Here's the air vent for the west side. We did it this way, so to release the pressure in the soap reservoir. So if there's any bubbles, the bubbles will be in the cavity rather than any of the line over there inside. So everything will be outside. And this is fine, right? This cavity, we need bubbles, so if the bubbles end up in the cavity, that's fine, but not inside. Now we see three things here. The one to the very left, that's the feeding line for the bubble generator, and then the second one, that's an opening, that's simply a drainage point where the liquid return to the soap reservoir. And then the one we just finished to the right, that's the air pressure relief pipe for the soap reservoir. So all end up in the cavity and end up in the middle of this gutter to the west side. And then we're going to do the same for the east side. Now we finished this part, so we simply bury the pipe and the gravel Let's finish the job on this side. Okay, we've done both sides. This is the eastern side. Yeah, we buried the pipe from air vent. Yeah, and the same for the western side, already buried. So finish all. Yeah, and after mill, we're gonna seal the bottom. Right now the water flow is pretty slow, so which is good, you know, which is the best time for us to try to seal the bottom. See if the electronic lock, trying to figure out how to install. First time to install this brand. Installed electronic lock, so it's more convenient. We can even set up a temporary password for visitors. Right now it just, you know, you cannot lock, you cannot open, right? And then if I just do this, yeah, now open. Now it's fully locked.